Easy 3-ingredient tomato soup. You will need 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, half large onion, cut into large wedges, 1 28-ounce can tomatoes. We prefer to use whole, peeled or crushed. See notes for fresh tomatoes. 1½ cups water, low sodium vegetable stock, or chicken stock, half teaspoon fine sea salt, or more to taste. This simple homemade tomato soup is quick, easy, and insanely delicious. It's genius and absolutely delicious. Combine butter, onion, and tomatoes. Grab a Dutch oven or pot, place it over medium heat and melt the butter. Add half an onion that's been cut into large wedges and a large can of tomatoes. Add water or broth and simmer. Bring everything to a low simmer, add some salt and leave it alone for about 40 minutes. This soup is also amazing topped with homemade croutons or served next to this easy buttery garlic bread. This soup is excellent with canned tomatoes. This is a healthy and delicious soup. You will need 10 to 12 whole tomatoes, or about 2 pounds. It's best to peel them, but we have made the soup with unpeeled tomatoes. This tomato soup has 3 ingredients, plus water and salt. Everything is tossed into a pan, no browning, no hovering over a stove. Remember that olive oil or a plant-based butter is an option. You can also use coconut oil. It might sound odd, but the light coconut flavor with onion/tomatoes is pretty delicious. Adding a handful of fresh basil at the end before blending the soup is a fantastic idea. Although, with the butter in this recipe, only a small splash of cream is needed. Directions: melt butter over medium heat in a Dutch oven or large saucepan. Add onion wedges, water, can of tomatoes with their juices, and half teaspoon of salt. Then, you need to bring it to a simmer. Cook, uncovered, for about 40 minutes. Stir occasionally and add additional salt as needed. Blend the soup, and then season to taste. An immersion blender does make quick work of this, or you can use a blender. The soup doesn't need to be ultra smooth, some texture is a nice touch.